Have you been looking for a ranch style home with not only water views, but access right across the street? A very nice lot and location? You are in luck. My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate, welcoming you to 71 School Street, Upton, Mass. Again, we are here at 71 School Street in Upton, Mass. This ranch style home is stunning and has something for everyone. We are 3 beds, 1 bath, and sitting on 0.75 acres with a beautiful flat lot. Fenced in backyard, plenty of parking, detached 2-car garage with storage, heat. We'll show you all that and get to that here in a little bit. But how about this view? Right across the street is Pratt Pond. It is full recreational, so you can fish, you can swim. In the winter, you can skate, you can get the bass boat out to go fishing, you name it, all sorts of activities just right across. So we're talking from your driveway, take your paddleboard, take your canoe, have your little boat out, and just go enjoy life. Convenience, we are located in Upton. We are very close to Route 495, so under 10 minutes to the highways. So if you need Mass Pike, we got you covered there. Westboro Road's just a short hop to get that if your commute takes you that way. Also in the heart of the Blackstone Valley, close to everything Upton has to offer. So much to love about this house. I cannot wait to show you more. We are over 1,300 square feet of living area, hardwoods throughout. Just an absolute gem of a house that I am very excited to show you. Let's come on in and take a look. Welcome home. Here we are coming in from your driveway, just parked the car for the day, getting welcomed by this beautiful living room, family room combo. We have cathedral ceilings, nice ceiling fan here to circulate the air. You'll notice we do have the mini splits, so we got the AC nice and cool in here for you in the summer. Wide open concept, flowing very nice into your kitchen. Plenty of windows, a lot of natural light coming in here. And one of my favorite rooms in the house, right off here is your slider, welcoming you nice onto this deck. And take a look at this. We got the Adirondack chairs set up, the view of the water behind us. What a way to spend the day relaxing, right? With a cold one or a nice hot cup of coffee in the morning. Just an absolute gem to enjoy the view of the water. Let's come on into our kitchen. It flows very nice, open with these cutouts here. So if you are having friends, family over, they can be hanging out here as you're prepping, getting ready for the food, the game, whatever the case may be. Nice size kitchen, plenty of countertop and storage space in here as well. Off your kitchen, we have your dining room, and this could easily be living room number 2 with dining room. Very large room. You're gonna love the windows, a lot of light coming in here. Beautiful hardwood flooring that starts here throughout all the bedrooms and the rest of the house. We do have built-in cabinets. Over here, we could definitely easily have its own kitchen table if you needed a round table for your family's needs, and then easily flow here. You could put the L couch or put a TV in the corner here. So you have some options. This is a large room. This is a large table in here that fits very nice. We do have a coat closet and your front door in this dining room as well. Following me down the hall, we're walking into your primary. This is a large bedroom, hardwood flooring, as I mentioned, continues in this room. We do have a nice closet here and 2 windows letting in plenty of light. Bedroom number 2, also a nice size, hardwood flooring, good size closet, and view into your side yard. Here we are in bedroom number 3. This is a cool room as it could be multi-functions, multi-purpose for your specific family needs. You'll see it's open into the living room, which is really cool, makes it feel that much bigger, hanging out. Maybe this is your home office, or maybe this is your kid's playroom. You can keep an ear and an eye on them while being in a different room. If you didn't want that, you could easily close that back up. Hey, just traditional bedroom. One other neat feature here, we do have the washer dryer up on the main level. So there are hookups still downstairs, but they brought the washer dryer upstairs for convenience, which is how great is that. So a great third option, good sized bedroom here in bedroom number 3. And then also down this hallway is your full bath. So we have a nice sized bathroom with a shower tub and view into the backyard. When you get in person, you will want to check out through here. That is your basement. It is a full basement. You could finish it if you needed to. Great storage down there. We do have a new electric hot water tank as well, but plenty of space for any storage in your basement. And welcome outside. This is my favorite room of the house. So here we are in the backyard, the back of the house. We're coming off of some nice composite steps. You'll notice you have your garden space, beautiful grass, plenty of area to hang out, plenty of parking. So if you do have the family, the friends over, this is a beautiful wraparound garage with the fence opening on both sides. So plenty of parking, not an issue here. You do have it fenced in. So if you do have the children, the dogs, you can let them run, hang out, not worry about being on the road. Beautiful outside back here. We have vinyl sided house, architectural shingles, and then we do have newer mini split condensers. So we have the cooling for you and the heating all taken care of there, all updated. Another awesome feature of this house is the garage. So you'll see this when you check it out in person. 2-car garage, detached. You'll notice the solar panels up top. They are paid off. They're leased but fully paid off, so you don't have that payment, which is great. And then the space, so 2-car parking. There is oversized for storage, workbench, so the hobbyist, you can do any of your tinkering, cars, woodworking, you name it. It also does have heat, so propane heat in the garage, an awesome additional space as well here at School Street. Again, we are here at 71 School Street in Upton, Massachusetts. This property is special. We are on 0.35 acres, very nice lot, tucked away, all while being a beautiful location. We have a flat yard in the front, great spot to hang out, throw the ball, enjoy time. We have the fenced in backyard. You have the wraparound driveway with plenty of parking, 2-car detached garage with the workshop space, with the heat for all year, enjoying time there. Inside, beautiful home, vinyl sided. We are 3 beds, 1 bath, over 1,300 square feet of living area, hardwoods throughout the house. We have the mini splits for heat and cool, for keeping you comfortable in all walks of life here in New England. And of course, we have the water. So we are right across the street from Pratt Pond. Beautiful view, access is right across the street. Take your kayaks, take your canoes, go fishing, get your bass boat, you name it, you can do it. Or just relax on the deck, sit in the Adirondack and just soak in the water. I know for me, there's something beautiful and very calming about water. If I can't be upset or stressed looking at a water view. Location is great. We're in Upton, close to everything Upton has to offer. Also very close and easy access to 495. So if you need to commute, highway is just up the road. There is so much to love here at 71 School Street. We just need you to get here in person, to see it, to feel it, and appreciate it yourself. My name is Matt with Premier Real Estate. Looking forward to getting you in here for your second showing.